I'm not cruising in my big rig. I'm watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
Good morning. You guys haven't seen you used this camera in a while. Looked at 5:08 in the morning. Holy smokes! And we are awake. Let's get our morning coffee going. Gotta get up to the office. Got a lot of exciting things happening today. Behind the scenes stuff. So anyway, yeah, trying to make a little video yesterday. Well, yesterday evening. A little disgruntled. I think it's the holiday season, you know. Girlfriend broke up with me. Here, hang on a second. Let me turn this light on. Hope you guys' lens can. Let me check the lens. Hang on. Okay, so there's the light on. As you can tell, there's no Christmas in my house at all. But I do have this little snowman right here. He lights up, the little reef lights up. But yeah, that's the only Christmas we got. Oh, and my shadow box. Everybody wants to see my shadow box. Hang on a second. My Harley Davidson poker chips. Now you guys hang in here. We're gonna go upstairs. I got some back office stuff to show you for you guys interested in that. So here is the poker chip collection. I'm a little bit mad at the shadow box at the moment because these fall. That glass is not. This shadow box was $100, and they don't hold the chips in place. So gotta work that out. Blah blah blah. And then you put a picture of me on my bike right here. But anyway, so there's a poker chip collection. There's a couple more up there, up top that we got in the mail. We got a piece of mail we got to open. So yeah, we got to go show you some office work today. We got some. We got our first rate con yesterday. So the driver we have on working moved to 3 trailers. So I had to pay him for that. Now we got a rate con involved. Now we got a fuel bill. So we got to figure out how to track this stuff so that we can pay him Wednesday. And that's another thing. So we got a lot to discuss. How to pay, how that's going to work. Got to figure all that out. So now we got to go to a different side of it. But we also need to cover how we got there. So stay tuned for this video because we're going to show some behind the scenes type action of everything it takes to get involved. Yeah, I got shampoo and stuff in my eyes. That's why they're red. Just got out of the shower. When I get out of the shower, it does that. So we'll see you guys up in the office. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, good morning. Well, we made it up here to the office. Now, so I kind of made a list of things we're going to discuss today. I think we're going to do this video in 2 parts. This video right here will be what's involved to get a guy on. So we get an application. I build folders for all of them, you know. So you got a whole list of things to go through. So basically, the first step of the process is, once you meet my requirements, and you can see those requirements by GhorleyTrucking.com. Go there. It's pretty straightforward. It's about that easy. So you get an application sent to you. Fill out the application, send it back. If everything looks good, then we'll start the process with the drug release form. That'll be the next piece of paper you should receive from me. That signing thing saying I can pull your last 3 years of drug history. Then we'd run a background check on you. That cost me $79. Then if that comes back good, we send you for a drug screen. That cost me $65 for the drug screen, and then $160 to enroll you into the drug consortium package with OIDA. Didn't know that going in. I knew it was $120, $120, $130 to enroll you in the drug consortium. But if you're not a member of OIDA, I got to pay your membership fee. We may have to work something else out with that later. And then I got to get your Keep Trucking ELD. That's cost of $340. Then I got to get your base plate. My base plate's renew in March. So to get a base plate right now, it costs me $497. That will be a weekly deduction. Anything to do with your tractor is a weekly deduction. Go check out the website. So Decals. I gotta get your decals for your truck. Gotta get those ordered. Those are about $165 with shipping. Um, what was that note there? 1,500. Oh yeah, that's the base plate. Blah blah. And then I gotta order your pre-pass. Then the fuel cards. I use Fleet One fuel cards. Give you really good discounts with the Fleet card fuel card. Gotta get that done. Then we gotta get you here for orientation. Then we gotta get all the apps online, all the load boards online, and it just gets. It's a lot. So it's a big expense on me up on the front. Oh yeah, and I gotta also secure you a trailer if you don't have one. So it's a big expense on me. I've got to figure out how to address that because I had one guy that we worked through all the process and then he changed his mind. So if you're going to do this, I appreciate you being committed to your word. You tell me you're coming because I spent all this money to get you here. I don't want to start asking for a retainer or down or deposit. I mean, I don't want to do that. So anyway, so it's just a few of the minor hurdles with getting started, getting going. It's a lot to it. So, so yeah, we got a lot behind the scenes here to handle and address and to take care of. And so, but to even get to that point, you got to find an application you like. You got to find the lease agreement you like. You got to get all that drawn up, typed up how you like it. You've got to get your fuel cards in place. You got to get your Excel spreadsheets built. Because right now I just realized this morning, my very first Raycon on a load, my driver that I have leased on now, owner operator, not driver, owner operator, contractor, what do you want to call it? He moved 3 trailers for me on Saturday. I've already submitted payment for him, which is another learning curve. I use QuickBooks. I'm not sure why it didn't go instantly. Maybe it's because it just got started up. So we're hoping today, this week it goes. I do it Wednesday and it gets paid on Thursday. We're going to find out. I made some payments on Friday. They still haven't been paid out yet. Today's only Tuesday, so we're hoping it's just a new startup. But I submitted payment for him for that moves he done on Saturday. So see, I paid for that already. Just hasn't hit his check or my check yet, but it's been done. But he got fuel the other day, and now he has a Raycon. So now we got to figure out how we keep track of this. Now I use Fogline software. If you guys, this is the end of the year, you guys need to know this. Listen up. So Fogline is about one of the better business tracking tools you have available, and it's a one-time fee. You buy it once, you're done for years. It just keeps growing and building. It's not a monthly base. I'd recommend putting it on a external hard drive. You put it on here, and then because see my computer crashed on me in middle of the year last year, so I lost all of last year's data. But we have all the year prior to that. I just never went in and rekeyed everything. I could rekey it, put it back. But if you put it on here, you've always got it. So save it and back your work up. But Fogline software is a really awesome data tracking tool. It keeps track of everything you put in. It makes you're doing your IPTA filing so easy. It just makes it keeping up with everything so easy. When you got paid, who paid you, who hasn't paid you. So I gotta look at that on my side and see if it'll help me with rate cons and fuel tracking expenses, so that every Wednesday I just go over to the Mac and use QuickBooks and pay people. If QuickBooks doesn't work, by the next day we're going to go change gears and do something else, because I will process bills on Wednesday and have everybody paid on Thursday. So anyway, so there'll be a link in the description for Fogline software. There's a link for the website. Go click on it, because you need to crank that up. January the 1st, start the new year out data tracking. If you're not doing data tracking, it's very crucial you do your data tracking. So use that code in the description. It's a one-time fee. Pick whichever pro. He has 3 different platforms. Pick which one suits your needs. Pay for it, and use that discount code, and you get $10 off on that. It's highly recommended. I've used it religiously. A lot of my friends that I know use it. It's a really good system. It's just, probably made this whole video on this camera angles play off. But anyway, that's that. So then we'll get into showing you the other side of the trucking on the next video. So just want to show you guys my printer back there making noise. Some of the behind the scenes process of what I was involved. It takes quite a bit to get a trucking company up and going, but anyway, it is now 5:30 in the morning, and I've got to get to work. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'm gonna go get some more coffee because I don't have a secretary yet to go get my coffee. Someday, right? Someday. Anyway, so we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Life is good. Life is good. Watching idiotic ramblings with Tim. Life is good.